Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you a look at this really fun shape-shifting cube by SHASHIBO. Now this is my second cube and my family absolutely loves these. We've given them as gifts and we think that they're really fascinating. Now they have tons of different designs. This particular one is part of the Wild series. It is the Arctic option. So inside there's tons of Arctic animals, making this a really great option, especially for younger kids.
Oh, the eagle.
Yeah. Oh, that's an owl, I think. I think it's an owl, and that's a snow leopard. Right there.
This is the snow leopard?
Uh-huh.
Whoa. There's a lot of animals. Wait, what's this?
But these shape-shifting cubes are such a blast for adults as well because they are simple enough that even my toddler can find interest in it and play with it and, get creative and explore. But it's complex enough with the advanced shapes that an adult would have a lot of fun with this. They do have an app to help teach you how to get the different shapes, and you can even connect these with other cubes to make bigger shapes and have a lot of fun with that. So when you first get this one, it looks like this. It's kind of like a kaleidoscope design, very Arctic-y with the whites and blues. It looks like icebergs or like Antarctica. And it's really simple to open. You can pretty much pull on any of the corners here and it will pop open. And then you have freedom to create. Now, you should never have to be forceful with this. It really should just kind of flip around. It is difficult, I'm not going to lie. I am not very good at this, but it is still fun to fidget with. Definitely can kill some time on long car rides or at the airport, you name it. There's definitely so many fun things that can be done with it. So inside you can see the little animals and you can work on connecting those pictures, making this maybe a little bit more simple than some of their other designs that are just these abstract patterns. So here's one of the designs that looks like 3 pyramids, and then the other side is going to show some of those Arctic animals. And another cool feature to this cube is it actually has a hidden logo that glows under UV light. So if you have like a UV flashlight or UV lights in general, you can play with this in the dark with those on, and you can help bring those logos together to help you figure out the cube. So regardless if this is for you or as a gift for someone, if it's a child or an adult, these are a really awesome way to relieve stress, get creative, and just keep your hands busy. So I would definitely give this a try if you are looking for a fun new toy.